Okay, sige, start na. Okay, class, good evening. Who wants to lead the prayer?
Si Giselle. Si Jerome po. Busy na ako.
Okay, kung wala ako na lang. Okay, close your eyes. Ama, maraming salamat po sa maghapon ito sa inyong paggabay. Bigyan niyo po ng sapat na katalinuhang ang mga batang mag-aaral ngayong gabi. Nawa po ay may matutunan sila sa subject na ito. Lahat ay magalang kong hiniling sa pangalan ni Jesus, aming tagapagligtas. Amen. Okay, class, our topic for today is about echoes of the past, voice of the future. It's all about Rizal legacy and 90th century Philippines. Before we start our topic, our objectives are, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to analyze how the major social, political, economic, and cultural changes in the 90th Philippines influenced Jose Rizal life, writings, and the enactment of Republic Act Number 1425, or also known as Rizal Law. Pasuyo ako, baka kayo magkakalapit na Eko.
Maglayo-layo kasi mga lapit-lapit eh.
Permission to speak mo, pwede ba mag-lip lang lag?
For the Philippine
Wala na dito
Society. Pasuyo po, don't make unnecessary create an advocacy infographic that illustrates the relationship among the changes in the 90th century Philippines. Jose Rizal life and legacy. Before we start our topic, I have here some warm-up exercises. Jerome Ponilas, paki-turn off ng microphone.
Ano po yun, ma'am?
Paka-turn off ako ng microphone. Okay, that's better. Our activity is collecting the past. I want you to observe the pictures that's shown in the PPT. Observe it carefully because I have the following questions. I give you 1 minute to observe. All that. Baka ako pagkatapos na mag-observe sa pictures. Okay, 1 minute is over. Practicing questions. Number 1. What similarities did you notice among the pictures? Anyone? Who wants to answer Pass's question number 1? What similarities did you notice among the pictures? Anyone po from the class? Kahit Tagalog ang answer, okay lang. Mark Joseph, any idea?
Ah, ma'am, ang similarities po ng mga pictures po, yung all image po ay nagre-reflect po sa significant social, economic, and political changes ng Pilipinas during the 19th century.
Yes,
Yun lang
very
po, ma'am.
good. Well said. How about question number 2? Yes, just raise your hand. Yes, Giselle Rico, any idea? Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Question number 3. Why do you think Jose Rizal is still studied today? Bakit daw hanggang ngayon ay pinag-aaralan si Jose Rizal? Any idea? Yes, Giselle, any thoughts?
Dahil po napakalaki
Very good, well said. Pasuyo ako na echo yung mga sound. Baka may magkakalapit sa inyo. Or double ng cellphones. Is lesson. Any other hands naman? Pag hindi sumagot, magtatawag ako. Anong inaasahan yung matutunan ngayong araw na lesson? Jan Eric Rico and about our topic na kasunod. Na-expect mo matutunan ngayong araw. Gising pa ba? Katulog na. Pa-react naman ako, baka natutulog na kayo.
Yung
Wow. Since walang sumagot, it's all about missiles, kung ano yung naka-influence sa kanya, para sumulat ng No Limit ang Hirap, and filibusterismo at ang process ng Philippines history kung paano ito nag-update. Pasuyo ako na naman sounds. Another warm-up exercises, observe, analyze, and connect. Direction. Carefully observe each pictures and read the accompanying description. Complete the activity sheet by answering the guide questions for each picture. Another warm-up exercises before we proceed to our topic. Opening of the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal is a 193-kilometer artificial waterway in Egypt that connects the Mediterranean Sea and officially on November 17, 18, started a short route between Europe and Asia, eliminating the trade of Africa. Opening of the Philippines to world trade. During the 19th century, Spain opened the Philippines to international commerce. Several ports were opened to foreign merchants, allowing them to trade with such countries such as Britain, the United States, France, and China. Agricultural products, sugar, abaca, tobacco, coffee, and indigo became important export products. Rise of the Illustrados. The Illustrados is Spanish for the one. The is high and you believe that education and peaceful reforms are the key to improving Philippine society. Spanish colonial society in the 19th century. Pasuyo ako na ko ang inyong nasa during the 19th century, Philippine society was organized into a strict social hierarchy under Spanish colonial rule. People's rights, privileges, and opportunities largely depended on their social class and ethnicity. Yung Spanish colonial period daw, ang mga tao ay nakadepende sa status ng tao. Jose Rizal and a writer. Jose education, then knowledge, while his writing people's desire for justice, equality, and national identity. Spain became a powerful instrument in shaping Philippine nationalism. Activity sheet. Kung nakinig kayo kanina sa discussion, may sasagot kayo. Observe each historical pictures and read the short provided answers. Duration. Historical event. Number 1. Opening of the Suez Canal. What do you observe? What change that it show? And how might this have influenced Jose Rizal? Ano, class? Mahina ba ang signal? Hindi ako naririnig. Hindi na ako maintindihan. Pero rinig niyo ako. Sige,
Nag-e-echo.
continue natin. Gusto niyo ako, baka may magkakapit. Palayo-layo muna ako yung doble ang cellphone. Nag-echo lang hindi maintindihan natin.
Gumiro ka po.
Questions. Of Susanna, what do you observe? Ano sa opening of Susanna? Nakita niyo ba yung pipinan?
Ma'am, permission to speak po. Wala auto.
Yes, Mark Joseph.
Napansin ko lang po ma'am sa picture kanina sa opening of the Swiss Canal. Ano po, mas mabilis po tayong makapag-travel between po sa Europe and Philippines.
Yes, very good. At ano sa mo ang naging daan ng opening of Suez Canal para ma-impluwensyahan si Rizal? Yes, Giselle?
Nung maging school dati ng pagtakbo ko kaya
Okay, very good. Question number 2, opening of the Philippines to the world trade. Anong na-observe nyo? Nung nag-open daw yung world trade, ano mga pagbago ang napansin nyo? Yes, Giselle? Paano paano naapektuhan ng world trade si Jose Rizal sa kanyang mga pagsulat? How about anong napansin nyo at paano naapektuhan nito si Rizal? idea in the class? Gising pa ba? Baka tulog na. Ina na signal. Any idea sa Rise of the Ilustrados pa? Ano na-observe niya at paano naapektuhan nito si Rizal? Sabi doon kanina sa Rise of the Ilustrados, edukasyon daw ang paraan para ang Pilipinas. Kaya mapalaya tayo sa Spanish colonial. What do you observe at paano na-influence nito si Rizal? Sabi sa Spanish Colonial Society, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, ang mga Spanish daw ay nakadepende sa status ng mga tao. Kung ikaw ay mayaman, middle class, at mahirap. Kadalasan na nakakapag-aral lang sa panahon ng Spanish ay nasa mayayamang angkan at ang mahihirap ay hindi nakakapag-aral. Number 5. Jose Rizal as a student and writer. Anong na-observe nyo? Sabi kanina, sa Jose Rizal as a student and writer, ang education daw ni Jose Rizal ay naging burden ang kanyang knowledge. At ang kanyang mga sulat ay nagpamulat sa bawat Pilipino. At ito ang kanyang instrumento na hindi gumagamit ng dahas. Hindi kailangan ng gera para buksan ng mga isip at puso ng mga Pilipino sa pagkalaya sa mga Spanish colonial. Naririnig pa ba ako?
Opo, ma'am.
Kita pa ba yung PT? May nag-e-echo na naman na sound. Pasuyo ako. Kung maintindihan at ako'y nakinig kung hindi Alay, Angel, any idea sa mga pictures na yon sa tingin nyo? Para sa sarili nyo, alin doon ang pinakang serisan? Any idea sa question number 1? Gising pa ba? Naririnig pa ba ako? Any idea, Giselle, sa question number 1?
Mahina po.
Pero narinig niyo pa naman ako.
Opo.
Opo, late lang po.
Late
Okay.
lang po.
Any idea sa question number 1 kahit Tagalog? Doon. Ipapakita ko ulit at baka hindi Giselle, pa-start na ako ng screen recording. Ay, sorry naman. Jose Rizal, Dapitan, 1892 to 96. During his martyrdom, Jose Rizal was executed by firing squad at Bagong Bayan, now Luneta Park, Manila on December 30, 1896. He was convicted of rebellion, sedition, and conspiracy, although he denied the charges. Rizal showed great courage, calmness, and love for his country. His death inspired Filipinos to unite and continue the fight for freedom, remind us that patriotism, truth, and peaceful reform can create lasting change. Rizal's sacrifice awakened Filipino nationalism. Republic Act Number 1425, Rizal Law, background. Enacted on June 12, 1956, authored by Senator Clark Law and Recto. requires schools and universities to teach the life, works, and writings of Jose Rizal. Promote patriotism and nationalism. Help students understand Rizal's ideas and sacrifices. Encourage responsible and active citizenship. Republic Act Number 1425 Rizal Law. Major provisions. Study of Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo is required in higher education. Schools must include Rizal's life, works, and writings in the curriculum. Copies of Rizal works should be available in school libraries. Importance to Filipino youth. Inspires love for the country and national identity. Develops critical thinking about social issues, encourages the practice of Rizal values such as honesty, Okay, class, now that we finish our discussion, kindly pick your quiz notebook and we are going to answer post-assessment quiz. Directions. Read each questions carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer and write your answer on the separate sheet of paper. Just kindly write your answer on your quiz notebook. Don't put your answers in the in-call messages. Number 1. Which event greatly influenced the rapid exchange of ideas in easier travel between the Philippines and Europe during the 19th century? A. Opening of the Panama Canal. B. Opening of the Suez Canal. Letter C. Philippine Revolution. Letter D. Battle of Mactan. Number 2. Which social group emerged during the 19th century and became instrumental in advocating reforms in the Philippines? Letter A. Katipuneros. Letter B. Ilustrados. Letter C. Datus. Letter D. Principales only. Number 3. How did social and political changes in the 19th century influence Jose Rizal? Letter A. They encouraged him to become a military leader. Letter B. They inspired him to advocate peaceful reforms through the writings. Letter C. They led him to abandon his education. Letter D. They convinced him to remain silent about social issues. Number 4. Which of the following best describes Jose Rizal's greatest contribution to Philippine nationalism? Letter A. He became the first president of the Philippines. Letter B. He promoted reforms and awakened national consciousness through his writings and peaceful advocacy. Letter C. He established the Katipunan. Letter D. He served as Governor General of the Philippines. Number 5. Which novel written by Jose Rizal exposed the abuses of the Spanish colonial government and the friars? Letter A. Florante at Laura. Letter B. El Filibusterismo only. Letter C. Noli Me Tangere. Letter D. Biag ni Lamang. Number 6. What is the primary purpose of Republic Act number 1425, also known as Rizal Law? Letter A. To require students to memorize all of Rizal's poems. Letter B. To preserve and promote the study of Jose Rizal's life, works, and writings in the educational institutions. Letter C. To declare Jose Rizal as the national hero. Letter D. To celebrate National Heroes Day. Number 7. Which action best demonstrates the application of Rizal's ideas in everyday life? Letter A. Ignoring community concerns. Letter B. Participating in community activities and promoting truth and justice. Letter C. Avoiding discussion about national issues. Letter D. Depending on others to solve community problems. Number 8. Why it is important to study the historical changes in the 19th century Philippines before learning about Jose Rizal. Letter A. They explain the historical context that shaped Rizal's life, ideas, and writings. Letter B. They only describe the Spanish economy. Letter C. They focus solely on foreign countries. Letter D. They are unrelated to Rizal's life. Number 9. Which statement best explains the relationship among the changes in the 19th century, Jose Rizal and the Rizal Law? A. The Rizal Law was enacted because Jose Rizal became president. Letter B. The historical changes influence Rizal's ideas, and the Rizal Law ensures that future generations continue learning from his life and works. Letter C. Rizal wrote the Rizal Law. Letter D. The Rizal Law replaced Rizal's novels and schools. Number 10. After studying the lesson, which action this shows responsible citizenship inspired by Jose Rizal? Letter A. Sharing false information on social media. B. Participating in community projects, respecting others' rights, and making informed decisions for the common good. Letter C. Avoiding participation in civic activities. Letter D. Leaving national issues to government officials alone. And that's all for our lesson. Kindly send me your quiz and I will check it. Good night, class. That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you.